The last time we did the legs, that is a part 1 on lesson 12, the legs, and part 2 was the body, and then part 3 will be the head and the trunk, and now is the head with the ears. So these are the 2 ears we are going to make. I'm going to make only one. So number 1, we're going to do 1 chain first, tighten it up, 2 chain, and now we're going to do single crochet on that loop only 5. Three, 4, 5, and a chain. Now turn and then chain. Number 2. Next is all around, or 2 single crochets on each chain. Should be 10, so we're doing it. One chain, and now we're going to number 3. Now we do 2 on this one, single crochet, and this one will be only 1. And then 2, then 1, and 2 until the end. And this is the last one, and after that we're going to sew it. And we forgot 1 chain there, must put first. Okay, now 2 single crochet, then each one 1, and 2 there. Two. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. I forgot to put this one in. So it won't show. Okay, need to make a knot, and let's cut it off. I've sewn one of the ears already. Now we are going to sew to this side. I'm just looking at it. If you're not very sure where to put the ears, you just have to go and see the cartoon elephants and look at them. You go Google and see all the cartoons one, and we agak from there. Oh, my English came back. And we only sew halfway, until the middle only. Okay, so almost done. 1, 2. Now we cut it off. The ears are done. Okay, the next lesson will be the mouth. That will be the finishing part of the mouth. Notice that you can put ribbons on the head. Looks cute. Different. And I've put a hat there. Look. The gray one has the mouth, and the brown one has not had the mouth, and that will be the next lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and try it.